Good morning, everyone. This is day 2. Yesterday we got a pretty good start on the walls. Got row 5 done and part of row 6. Really nice logs we've got right now. These are really nice, straight, dead larch. Make great house logs. I just notched over there and coming right along. It's gonna be a great day. All right, well, it's lunch break right now. Guys are eating lunch. Everything's quiet, and this is our progress so far on this log home. It's going really well. We got the rafter and the gable glass all together there, putting in some purlins. These are about 42 feet long or so. Real big purlins that make up the roof structure. Really tall and wide. So we've got a big gable here, all log, of course, all the way to the peak. There's some notches there for the purlins. Big window in the back. And the main floor here is pretty much all done. The stairway got built. And need to cut the archway out still right there, but all the loft joists are in. Just ready to come down probably tomorrow. So just a couple more details on this top story and we'll be done. So really looking nice so far. All right, it's all done. And we're just about ready to take it down. All the little filler logs are done on the corners there now. And all the purlins are installed, ridgepole. Just doing the last detail work before we start taking down and packaging. So this is a super cool roof system, really big purlins, and an awesome gable glass right there. That'll bring in a lot of light. There's a half loft in the back half of this upstairs. So you'll look out right over the living room, out those windows from the loft. That'll be really cool. So it's been a good, smooth project. This is day 6, the morning of day 6, I think. And so this is the bottom story, and we've already started taking some of these joists out. We've taken all the loft joists out already, but this back half will be loft area above it. This is the living room here and kitchen, I believe, somewhere. I think kitchen's over there in that corner. There's also the stairway that was here. That's been taken out. But yeah, we're almost there. We got one more post to put in the middle that goes up to the ridgepole. And some details, and other than that, we're gonna start taking down here this morning.